I'm another year older. I won't cry about you anymore. Told my friends to come over to dye my hair. It's not even the weekend, and I'm wearing that dress I can't afford. Giving life a new meaning without you there. Do some stupid shit, maybe get a tattoo. Whatever I can do to get my mind off you. It's my birthday. I'ma do what I like. I'ma eat what I like. I'ma kiss who I like. It's my birthday. I'ma do what I like. I'ma wear what I like. I'ma party tonight. Goddamn, it's my birthday. Everybody love me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look at me, give me money. Damn, it's my birthday. Everybody love me. And I ain't thinking about you. It's my birthday. I blow out all the candles. I can't even afford my rent, so I'm not buying the drinks, cause I'ma leave that to my friends. Yeah, falling in love with everybody you know. Yeah, that's what I do, that's what I do. Yeah, whatever I can do to get my mind off you. That's what I do, that's what I do. It's my birthday. I'ma do what I like. I'ma eat what I like. I'ma kiss who I like. It's my birthday.
Nalaing. Ako nga din yung kanain pinyam niya. Basta tandaan ang mag-ibagbagakin niya, magbagami kinipapang kinyam, ah. Nadal ka nga nalaing habang sa kami pa yung bibirok tikwa, kinipapang hanggang umang kwa na agaral ko naman langanan. Tuwan, nadati kami lang ng pamilya mong suportakin niya. Naiayada ka. Love you, bang?
Ya, dapat kita ini tak ke ketuaan untuk terkadal melinang mungkin kurang apa keluar des nonton apa dua kami yang sebut ringan